Water bladders, they suck. If you've ever had one burst or get punctured in your bag, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So in today's video, I believe I have the solution to just avoid that whole mess. And this right here is the solution. This is the Source Tactical Convertube, and this is basically just an attachment to your Nalgene. So you would use this exactly how you would, you know, your standard Camelbak with the water bladder. So same kind of system, same exact hose, but now you can use a Nalgene. And like I said before, you don't have to worry about this puncturing, getting cut, exploding in your bag, ruining your day. This is, in my opinion, the perfect system. So this also comes with different adapters. So I believe it's 4 different adapters. Right now I have the Nalgene adapter on here, so I can screw this Nalgene off, and then you can throw another adapter on another water bottle. So here's the Nalgene one, and then you can screw it right back onto any container you want. It's really cool because you can use like the Coke bottles you get from a gas station. They have an adapter for that, so you could just use like a Coke bottle for your container. So the other slick thing is it's got an adjustable straw, so you can pull the straw out to whatever length you want and push it right back in. That's as short as it goes, but I really haven't needed it to go any shorter than that. Let me pop this back in real quick, screw this back on. So I really like this hose too that they use. Most Camelbaks I've used, they almost use like, it feels like a thin-walled surgical tubing, and this one is a lot stiffer than that, and it also comes with this UV protector around it, so I'm guessing that helps with mold.
Wrong.
If you do get mold on the inside of this, it's hard to see because you can't peel this back. It's glued to all the ends. So I mean, I guess you're just hoping that there's no mold accumulating. Your best bet is just to keep it clean. If you do that, you shouldn't have any problems. So one issue with this system when I bought it was the nozzle. So I actually bought a different nozzle. I believe this is the Helix. It came with what they call some like high flow nozzle, and in my opinion it really was not a high flow at all. I had to suck pretty hard to get the water out. It's, I believe, got 2 different settings here, and you just bite down and go to town. Now it is a shame you have to, you know, spend another 20 bucks to get a different high flow valve, but it was absolutely worth it. All right, I gotta pee. So a Nalgene, in my opinion, is really the best option for this. Like I said, it's got many different adapters. You can use what you want, but I find a Nalgene just to work really good for me. It's just really durable, it's versatile, and it's BPA free. So I just like them. Now to really round this system out, I like to pair it with a Canna Provisions canteen. So these are really cool. It's super light, it's gonna last you forever. But the really cool thing is it's a perfect fit over your Nalgene. So this, I mean, it really saves a lot of space just fitting right inside there. So then if you bring a little stove, you can just boil yourself some water. You could have coffee, hot chocolate, you know, you can do a lot more things with this system now. So I'm easily impressed. And the coolest thing about this is it holds the pocket open for you on your backpack when you pull the Nalgene out. So it's easy to put it back right in the same spot. You don't have to kind of fumble with like the fabric and stuff on the outside of your backpack. So I don't know, to me it's pretty cool. All right, so that's going to be the video. I suggest throw away your water bladders, invest in something that's going to last you a long time, and you're going to be much happier, because when that day comes your water bladder explodes, and I promise you it will, you're going to wish you invested in one of these. And to be honest, take away this Canna mug, and right here, this is, I'm betting, the same price or cheaper than a water bladder or Camelbak setup. So if you have any, can you stop please? I'm trying to do an outro here. Yeah, this arm is getting tired. So I hope you enjoyed the video, got something out of it. If you have any questions, put those down in the comments. And other than that, I'll see you in the next one.